These 4 AI tools saved me countless hours. In this video, I will explain how to use all these AI tools. All tools showcased in this video are completely free. First up, we have ChatGPT. Now, instead of wasting 1 to 2 hours creating my own script, I can just tell ChatGPT and give this simple prompt with very vague information without NVIDIA written for the RTX 5070. And well, when I click enter, I'm gonna get a perfect script. Boom, it's generating. I don't have to do anything, it can write scripts in literally less than 15 seconds. And then I can just use the script and implement it into my video. Next up, we have Comet, an AI browser made by Perplexity. It's an agentic browser which can do tasks for you, such as finding products. Like this simple prompt which will find me a good Bluetooth speaker with high bass under 2000 rupees on Amazon. And in the end, it's gonna put it in the cart so I can look at the items. Now it's gonna start doing the task. Now it's wrapping up. It's also given me a summary and it's put all the 5 items in the cart. And these are really good items from Boat and Zebronics, and I can review them and get a good item of my own choice. Next up, we have Canva AI. Basically, I want a YouTube thumbnail for the summary I used in my ChatGPT script, the RTX 5070 versus RX 9070 XT. I press enter and now it's processing it. It has generated 4 images for me. I can review these images, but I can also add variations to it, like add a thick background image. It's gonna process it and then it has generated again 4 images. But this time I'm gonna click on any image I like, for example this one, and then I can edit the text. But instead of editing here, the best part is I can use the Canva editor itself. And then I can edit the text. For example, right now I'm changing the size to 50. Now it's massive, so I can change it back again using the dragger, or I can just go to the top and change the font size again. This is really useful if you want a thumbnail in which you can edit the text, unlike other free software like Stable Diffusions, which have very bad and obfuscated text. Lastly, we have Humanizer.net. Over here, first I'm gonna ask ChatGPT to generate a 150-word essay on a random topic. Once it has generated the essay, I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna do 0gpt.com, which my teacher could use to check if I have used AI. Now it's detecting the text, and now it says 100% AI GPT, and my teacher would give me 0 grade. But then I go to Humanizer.net, which has no ads or no paywalls. I paste my essay and then I click on Humanize AI, and then we wait for only about 10 seconds. It's that fast. And boom, we have a humanized text. I'm gonna copy the text, go into 0GPT and detect it again. And 0 AI GPT, and I get full marks in my essay, just from generating the essay from AI under minutes. This has saved me countless hours for my essays.